Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to IDN English Podcast. So today we're gonna do podcast with my friends. Yeah, they are two
Guys.
guys. So the first, maybe you can introduce yourself first,
Okay, my name is Ibrahim.
and then
Yes, my name is Gilang.
my name is Arka. And so today we're gonna bring the theme is temptation for teenagers in a digital era. Okay, maybe in bahasa what?
In bahasa is like godaan di masa remaja.
Di masa remaja di digital era. Okay. Maybe for a certain time we're gonna go to the first questions. So the first is maybe Ibek first for the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you think social media affects teenagers to the self-esteem and body image today?
The effects from self-esteem it can make if you like if you making some content like positive or scrolling about the positive motivation, so there is can effect and positive. So if you use some social media usefully is to positive things, because there is can affect yourself and self-esteem.
Okay. Maybe I agree with the Ibek answer. Maybe most of teenagers in maybe especially in Indonesia or other country is they are using social media for doing a day. Maybe
Yeah,
they are
waste the time.
always uploading moment in social media and others. Maybe or Gilang, your answer?
For my opinion, I guess the social media affects teenagers. It's very a lot
Yeah.
because teenagers usually uses social media for something like show off their richness or something, show off their like body like that.
Okay.
And it's really bad for themselves because it can harm their soul, and also it's really not good for them, especially if there's any like bad guy who scroll social media and they see teenagers do like this. They maybe can do harmful things to them or something like that. And from my opinion, it affects really a lot. It depends on what you use it to for social media.
Maybe it can be positive and
Yeah,
negative.
Right.
And maybe we're gonna next question. Go to next question. So the second question is what are some of the biggest temptation teenagers face when it comes to using digital platforms? Maybe from Gilang first.
Yeah. For me, what are the biggest temptation for teenagers? For me, I guess it goes on. The first one is usually got called like gengsi. What gengsi?
Yeah, maybe in Indonesia we can say gengsi.
Yeah, gengsi, because teenagers usually loves like
Show
new
up.
things, and they usually like to show off their
Riches.
like richness or some new phones. They
Yeah.
usually can get a temptation to buy some more and more from the social media. They get really like obsessed with like teenagers who usually in social media who uses like branded stuff or something like that, and it's affects also for their parents that who buys them stuff, and I guess it's really hard for them. And yeah, for my opinion, it's really the biggest temptation is because of their gengsi.
Yes.
Like that.
I agree with Gilang because yeah, I've had friends a lot, and the gengsi is not good. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not good because maybe the economy is not good, but they are trying to buy a lot of things.
Yes.
Don't need. Yeah,
Yeah. They try to FOMO.
yeah. This from fear of missing out.
Yes.
Because the example maybe Gilang buying new iPhone, but I see the Gilang, yeah, I want the iPhone like Gilang.
Yes,
Maybe for Ibek,
For the biggest temptation, in my opinion, is I agree with Gilang said. So teenagers is have maybe they want to they want to make some new things.
Yeah.
Like there is teenagers. Also, all teenagers is want something new things, and so there is maybe he want to like update his the new how to say the
stuff.
some new stuff in social media, so then there is can make how to say pamer.
Show up.
Oh.
Show
And
up.
then he can show up and to the others people.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's it.
Yeah. Nice opinion. And yeah, third question is: have you ever felt pressure to conform to trends or online challenge because of what you see on social media? Maybe from Ibek.
So the pressure
Yeah.
for confident
Doing a trend.
doing a trends or challenge is in social media is like when you're doing some unusual challenge or trends, so maybe you can the choose the right of the positive that can make creative video or
Yeah, the
content,
challenge.
yeah, trends or challenge. So because it can make useful to others, and the people can effects or can make like positive things that they can make a trends
Wow.
from you too after you make it like the useful trends. So uh, so now you must make some new trends that can make be positive or creative that the people can following it. That's
Yeah. Maybe just leave the negative
Yeah.
negative trends or challenge. Maybe we can move it to the positive challenge. Maybe like making some content. Maybe like we can do vlog or
Yeah.
anything challenge. Maybe from Gilang,
For me, I
have you
think
ever pressured?
from my opinion, I haven't really got into like trends like that stuff.
Huh?
But when I see someone who really wants to follow the newest trend, like from TikTok or Reels, it really like some of them maybe had like positive things and also the negative things. Like you can also harm yourself if you do something trends like an extreme one that no one else can do that because it's really a risky thing. Like if you do a backflip,
Yeah.
it's kind of a risky thing because you can get injured from that. So like for the pressure for it is you don't have to follow the trends like the newest one. You don't have to be gangster. You don't have to be like
FOMO. Yeah.
You just have to follow the content trend that really useful for you.
Useful.
It's like you can show dakwah media or even help stuff and vlog helping someone like that, and you can also singkitan apa singkitan?
Singkatan
remove
remove.
Yeah, you can remove all the negative stuff,
Yeah.
like the one you see people who start a trend for like extreme stuff. You eat spicy, it can injure your lungs, and also stuff you just have to remove them, and you start to begin the trend to be a useful one. It's really good for you. It's no pressure at all if you do a good positive trend like that.
Yeah, maybe just leave the negative trend
yeah,
or
yeah.
challenge
Yes, yes.
and do a positive challenge. Yeah. Okay. Okay, everyone. Maybe that's all for us for this podcast about temptation for teenagers in digital era. Thank you for listening. Maybe sorry if we are had some mistakes or bad words, wrong words. Maybe because we still learn English too. Yeah, maybe that's all for us. Last we say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.